Best 3D printers. Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono 2. Anycubic Photon Mono 2, resin 3D printer with 6.6-foot 4K plus LCD monochrome screen, upgraded light turbo matrix with high-precision printing, enlarged print volume 6.49 x 5.62 x 3.5. The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is designed for makers, hobbyists, and professionals seeking high-precision resin 3D printing with ease. Featuring a 6.6-inch 4K plus monochrome LCD screen, this printer delivers sharper details, smoother surfaces, and accurate model reproduction. With an upgraded light turbo matrix system, it ensures consistent light distribution, significantly enhancing print quality while reducing curing times for faster results. The enlarged print volume of 6.49 inches by 5.62 inches by 3.5 inches gives you more room to create bigger projects or batch print smaller ones, making it versatile for both personal and professional applications. Whether you're producing miniatures, jewelry prototypes, or functional parts, this printer supports high-resolution outcomes with reliable performance. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame and a sleek blue and black design, the Photon Mono 2 combines durability with style. Its lightweight yet robust build, only 5 kilograms, makes it easy to move and set up, while its compact footprint, 11.81 inches by 11.81 inches by 20.88 inches, allows it to fit seamlessly in workshops, studios, or home spaces. The monochrome screen not only extends lifespan compared to traditional LCDs but also ensures lower energy consumption. Together with user-friendly software, simplified setup, and intuitive operation, the Anycubic Photon Mono 2 offers a smooth 3D printing experience from start to finish. Perfect for creators who demand quality, precision, and efficiency in every print. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D printer with direct dual gear extruder, fully metal CR touch auto leveling, silent motherboard. The Creality Ender 3v3 Plus is a next-generation 3D printer designed to deliver precision, speed, and reliability for makers of all skill levels. Featuring a direct dual-gear extruder, this printer ensures smooth and consistent filament feeding, reducing the risk of clogs or slippage and making it ideal for printing with flexible and high-performance materials. Equipped with CR Touch Auto Leveling, the Ender 3v3 Plus takes the hassle out of manual bed leveling, ensuring perfect first layers and improved print success rates. Its fully metal frame provides enhanced durability and stability, minimizing vibration and delivering higher accuracy in every project. Combined with a silent motherboard, this printer operates with low noise, making it suitable for home, office, or classroom environments. With a 10-inch by 10-inch by 10-inch print area, the Ender 3v3 Plus offers ample space for both large-scale models and multiple smaller prints, giving you the flexibility to bring a wide range of designs to life. Whether you're a hobbyist creating detailed miniatures, a designer prototyping new concepts, or an educator introducing 3D printing, this machine is built to perform. At 11.5 kilograms, it is sturdy yet compact enough to fit easily into any workspace. Compatible with personal computers, the Ender 3v3 Plus integrates seamlessly with popular slicer software, making setup and operation intuitive. Delivering a balance of advanced features and user-friendly design, this printer is an excellent choice for creators seeking both quality and convenience. Number 3. Prusa MK4S. Original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwacha's 3D printer kit, removable print sheets, beginner-friendly DIY kit, automatic calibration, filament sample included, print size 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches. The original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwacha's 3D printer kit offers the perfect blend of precision, reliability, and hands-on fun, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced makers alike. This DIY assembly kit allows you to build your printer from the ground up, giving you a deeper understanding of how 3D printing works while providing a satisfying project to complete. With a generous print volume of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, the 4 Malawian Kwacha supports both large models and multiple small prints at once. It comes equipped with removable print sheets, making part removal simple and efficient while minimizing damage to your creations. The automatic calibration system ensures a smooth setup process, eliminating the frustration of manual bed leveling and helping you achieve consistently excellent first layers. Crafted with a durable metal and plastic frame, the Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas is engineered for long-term reliability. Its compact design, 19.6-inch dx 15.7 wx 21.6h, makes it a great fit for workspaces, classrooms, or hobby rooms, while its weight of 10.2 kilograms strikes a balance between sturdiness and portability. The kit also includes a filament sample, allowing you to start printing right after assembly. Known for its open-source design and wide material compatibility, the Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas is highly versatile, making it ideal for everything from prototypes to detailed miniatures. Whether you're new to 3D printing or a maker looking for a customizable, reliable machine, the original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas kit delivers quality, innovation, and a rewarding build experience. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo 3D Printer, multicolor 3D printer with 4 colors, max 600 mm per second print speed, ACE Pro sealed storage, print size 9.8 inches by 9.8 inches by 10.2 inches. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo takes 3D printing to the next level with its advanced multicolor capabilities, high-speed performance, and user-friendly design. Featuring a 4-color printing system, this printer lets you bring your ideas to life with vibrant, multi-toned models, whether you're crafting decorative pieces, functional prototypes, or educational projects. With a blazing maximum print speed of 600 mm per second, the Kobra 3 Combo significantly reduces wait times while still delivering smooth, precise, and reliable results. Its print volume of 9.8 inch by 9.8 inch by 10.2 inch offers ample space for both larger builds and small batch projects, making it ideal for creators of all levels. One standout feature is the ACE Pro sealed storage system, designed to keep your filament dry and in optimal condition. This ensures consistent extrusion and reduces common issues like clogs or weak prints, especially when working with moisture-sensitive materials. Built with a sturdy metal frame and compact dimensions, 17.8-inch dx 19.8 wx 19h, the Kobra 3 Combo is stable during fast prints yet fits comfortably into most workspaces. At 9.2 kilograms, it balances durability with portability, making it practical for home, school, or professional use. Compatible with both laptops and personal computers, the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo integrates seamlessly with popular slicer software, making operations simple even for beginners. For makers seeking speed, color versatility, and reliability, this printer delivers professional-grade features in an accessible package. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro 3D printer with one-click auto printing system, 600 mm per second high speed, quick detachable 280 degrees Celsius nozzle, Core XY all-metal structure, multifunctional 220 by 220 by 220 mm 3D printer. The FLASHFORG Adventurer 5M Pro is a high-performance 3D printer designed for makers, engineers, and educators who demand speed, precision, and versatility. Featuring a one-click auto printing system, this printer simplifies the setup process, allowing you to start printing with minimal effort while ensuring consistent, high-quality results. Equipped with a high-speed 600 mm per second printing capability and a quick detachable 280 degrees Celsius nozzle, the Adventurer 5M Pro accelerates project completion without compromising precision. Its Core XY all-metal structure provides superior stability, rigidity, and reliability during fast printing, reducing vibrations for sharper, smoother outputs. With a generous print volume of 220 by 220 by 220 mm, this printer accommodates both small-scale models and larger, complex projects. It supports a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PTG, ASA, TPU, PC, PLACF, and PTGCF, making it ideal for functional prototypes, mechanical parts, educational projects, and creative designs. The printer's compact design, 15.75-inch DX 14.96, WX 17.83H, and 32.1-pound weight make it durable yet easy to position in workshops, classrooms, or studios. Its intuitive interface and multifunctional capabilities ensure a smooth and professional 3D printing experience for users of all skill levels. Whether you're producing prototypes, educational tools, or artistic creations, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro combines high speed, reliability, and versatility in a single, robust package, making it an exceptional choice for anyone serious about 3D printing.